Hello, I'm delighted to tell you about our Karin Herzog Star Anti-wrinkle Cream Oxygen Hyalu. Composed with 1% oxygen, vitamin A and hyaluronic acid, it is the latest innovation of the Swiss laboratory of the Dr. Paul Herzog. For an ideal effectiveness, it is important to apply it correctly to your skin. Take a small amount of cream and spread it over your face without massaging. Or if you prefer, concentrate this powerful cream on the targeted parts of the face: the forehead, crow's feet, the contour of the mouth. The rest of the face can be treated with Vitae Combi 1 or 2 or Vitae Apricot. You should wait 2 to 3 minutes for the cream to penetrate by itself and provide all the essential elements it contains under the skin. You can brush your teeth or drink a small coffee. 3 minutes go by fast. Thanks to its unique formula that combines oxygen, vitamin A, and the star anti-wrinkle molecule hyaluronic acid, this cream has passed all the efficiency tests that prove a reduction in wrinkles of more than 40% after 90 days of daily use. The 2 to 3 minutes have passed. You can see that the cream has almost all penetrated. You can massage the rest and apply your sun protection cream on top and your loose powder for the final touch.